DepEd matatag, bansang makabata, batang makabansa. Alternative delivery mode. From the Department of Education. Division Memorandum Number 317 Series of 2024. Orientation on the guidelines on utilization and reporting of the programs support funds PSP for the alternative delivery mode ADM. Frisco Beach Resort, Boulevard Extension, Masbate City, August 9, 2024. Schedule of activities. Time, October 24, 2023. 8 to 9, arrival and registration. So, last year pa pala to. 9 to 10, opening program. 10 to 12, snacks. Session 1, EDM overview and orientation on the guidelines on utilization and reporting of the PSF for EDM. Gloria A. Funtilar. 12 to 1, lunch. 1 to 5, session 2, school. Initiated intervention and EDM tagging and reporting. Gerald B. Olivar. Cleaning house, closing program. Officer of the day, Gerald B. Olivar. Alternative learning delivery mode. Alternative delivery mode EDM are instructional on learning modalities that do not strictly follow the typical set out for regular classroom instruction but follow the formal K-12 curriculum in content. DO 21 series of 2019, Annex 3. Let us start with the context of the Masbate education sector along geography and population, political, administrative, and institutional context. The province of Masbate is an island province in the Bicol region. It has 3 major islands, Masbate, Ticao, and Boreas, composed of 20 municipalities and 1 component city divided to 3 congressional districts. It has a total population of 908,920 with a growth rate of 39.39 as of May 2020, and its 8 municipalities have a negative growth rate due to out migration. The school division of Masbate serves the 20 municipalities with different geographical features dominated by coast and terrains which pose challenge in the delivery of basic education to Masbateño learners. Alternative learning delivery mode ADM, tried and tested alternative modalities of education delivery within the confines of the formal system that allows public to deliver quality education to marginalized students and those at risk of dropping out in order to help them overcome personal, social, and economic constraints in their schooling. Target learners. It is intended for learners from kindergarten to grade 12 who are officially enrolled in a formal school, at risk of failure or dropping out, learners with educational needs, marginalized learners, last mile learners, or learners whose residence is far from the school. Learners who cannot stay regularly inside the school because of family problem situations, household errands, and obligations. Children of parents whose job required them to travel. Learners with poor medical condition under difficult circumstances such as pregnant learners. Learners who are working at daytime. Target learners. Learners whose studies are interrupted due to the relocation of parents within or outside the country. In emergencies, late enrollees, children of parents who by choice wish to educate their children at home. Children of OFWs living abroad enrolled in the circular and co-curricular activities. DepEd matatag overall program objective. All elementary and secondary learners at risk of dropping out have equal access to basic learning opportunities. Specific objectives. By 2024, all elementary and secondary schools shall be ready to offer EDM. By 2025, learners at risk are benefiting from appropriate equity initiatives such as alternative delivery mode, one-stop shop school, MISUSA, Impact, Open High School System, Night School, Rural Farm School, School-Initiated Intervention, Homeschooling, and Education in Emergencies, and are able to finish appropriate case stage. One-stop shop. Method of instruction, place of instruction, time, and duration. Every EDM should be flexible to cater the different needs and context of its learners. DO 21 Series of 2019 Annex 3. One-stop shop school. MISUSA, Impact, Open High School, Night School, Rural Farm School, Homeschooling, School Initiative Interventions, Education in Emergencies, Modular Online Distance, Offline Distance, TV, RVI, Blended. Modified in School of School approach, MISUSA. Instructional management by parents, community, and teachers, Impact. Open High School Program, OHSP. Night High School, Rural Farm School, Homeschooling, School Initiated Interventions, SII, Education and Emergencies. One size does not fit all. Matatag. Strategies. Combine different alternative teaching learning delivery. Of 360 degree of context. No, our learners start from where he is, give appropriate ADM. Social, technology, environment, mental, emotional, culture. Observe that picture. Where are we? ADM programs are available in all schools to respond to learners' diverse needs. Already ADM anytime. One-stop shop in school. ADM star to star. So making student at risk to students taking academic responsibility. RM number 556 series of 2023. Guidelines in the implementation of various modalities in the alternative delivery modes, ADM, in Region 5. Schools implementing School-Initiated Intervention, SII, as alternative delivery mode, ADM. District, Mobo North, Mobo South, Uson North, Uson South, Dimasalang, Palanas North, Palanas South, Katayngan East, Katayngan West. So, tingnan nyo dito guys, yung mga school ninyo. PUB Corpus, Lampoyang, and Conrada. So, ang Esperanza naman, Masbaranon Elementary School and Alena Rice Marpil National High School. Placer East, Tomas M. Kundi, Laimir. Placer West, Kawayan East, Kawayan West, Milagros. Ayan yung mga school na mag-implement nyan. Kaya yung elementary and high school, Katayngan West, Katayngan National High School. School implementing Open High School Program, OHSP, as alternative delivery mode. So tingnan nyo yung mga schools nyo dyan guys, no? Sama mga school heads. So PSF to be downloaded to selected schools. Open High School Program, OHP, is 10,000 per school. Non-height classes, 60,000 per school. And School Initiated Intervention is II, 5,000 per school. Guidelines on utilization, ADM, relative activities, payments of miscellaneous or incidental expenses during the conduct of ADM related activities such as but not limited to orientation, workshop, benchmarking, and conference. A. Supplies and materials at standard cost. B. Meal of the participants, resource person, and management team as prescribed in DepEd order. Number 2, series of 2018. Number 2, other expenses in support to ADM related activities provided that the expenses are below the capitalization threshold of ASIM expendable. Guidelines on utilization ADM related activities, travel expenses of the official participants to ADM related activities, payment of miscellaneous or incidental expenses in the conduct of the following: mapping of elementary and secondary learners at risk of dropping out in the different learners modalities. Letter B, developing school-initiated intervention for learners at risk. C, benchmarking activities and other activities related to the implementation of ADM. So, ineligible expenses, purchase of capital outlay items, example equipment, payments of subscriptions, hiring of the contractual or casual employees whose salaries and other compensation benefits shall be charged against personal service allocations. Okay, thank you for watching.